Good morning, good morning, good morning. Last night I was working on retying my hair. I finished this section last night. The amount of time that it took to finish this section, well, I'll let you know that in another video. That's another video. So I have to go to work this morning. Yeah, working, teaching my kids, but I have to present myself in my best light. So I'm trying to figure out, okay, what are you going to do with your hair so that you can keep it separated and know exactly what locks you have already retightened. So I decided to do this, and we're going to see how it works. I'm going to take this hair that I've retightened, pull it forward. I plan to use my goodie clip. I'm going to sit it there in a small section of my hair. Going to go ahead and just pull this part down. And then this section, I'm pulling it down. You see, I work from home and my kids can only see me from the front. I'm going to take a look and see if, by any chance, I can go out with my hair like this as well. If I have to go out today. I'm going to let you see what it looks like all the way around. And since I don't think that it's a good idea for me to go out with this showing, this is what I would do. And I'm getting another goodie clip, making sure that the first goodie clip is already covered, as you can see. And now this goodie clip is there with purpose. It's not just there. It's to pull this part back. Yeah, and now I have a hairstyle. Now that I've shown you this hairstyle that is used to camouflage an incomplete retightening, I would like for you to like the video, subscribe to this video, comment on this video and tell me what you think, and share the video. Have a great day. Thank you to my subscribers. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I also have a Facebook group page for Curly G's, Sisterlocks, Naturals, and healthy habits. That's not exactly the name of the group, but that's the purpose of the group. The link to the group is in the description box. And I want you to join my Facebook group. Let's be up close and personal. You can share your videos in my Facebook group. Why? Because I'm a sister who loves my locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And He keeps blessing me over and over again. Have a great day.